everyone, welcome back to Simply Emmy Vlogs. Today we are going to talk about the Canadian geese. The Canada goose is a large wild goose with a black head and neck, white cheeks, white under its chin, and a brown body. It is a native to Arctic and temperate regions of North America. And its migration occasionally reaches northern Europe. Like most geese, the Canada goose is primarily herbivorous and normally migratory. It tends to be found on or close to fresh water. Extremely adept at living in human-altered areas, Canada geese have established breeding colonies in urban and cultivated habitats, which provide food and few natural predators. The success of this common park species has led to its often being considered a pest species. Because of its excrement, its depredation of crops, its noise, its aggressive territorial behavior toward both humans and other animals, and its habit of begging for food caused by human hand feeding. Canada geese normally migrate to the southern agricultural areas for the winter. To do so, they fly in the distinct V pattern, where one goose is the leader and its flock follows behind in the V shape. When geese are flying in formation, you can often hear them calling to each other. Adult Canada geese have about 13 different calls, ranging from low clucks and murmurs, communicated while feeding, and loud greeting and alarm calls. Goslings even start to communicate with their parents while they're still in the egg. A gosling can make a call or peep if it is distressed or content. Canada geese is very significant to the Canadians. Its image is printed on a $100 Canadian bill. And another type of goose is the Canadian loon. The common loon is the provincial bird of Ontario, and it appears on the Canadian currency, including the $1 loonie coin and a previous series of $20 bills. The common loon, or great northern diver, is a large member of the loon. Breeding adults have a plumage that includes a broad black head and neck with greenish, purplish or bluish sheen, blackish or blackish gray upper parts. Non-breeding adults are brownish with a dark neck and head marked with a dark gray-brown. The sexes look alike, although males are significantly heavier than females. During the breeding season, loons live on lakes and other waterways in Canada, the northern United States including Alaska, and southern parts of Greenland and Iceland. In this particular video of mine, this was taken at the town of Port Hope in Ontario, Canada. Where you can enjoy watching thousands of Canadian geese chilling on the freezing water of the Lake Ontario. guys, I hope you enjoyed our video today and you learned something about the Canadian geese. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button. I'll see you again on our next vlog very soon. Goodbye!